So what I did, I switched the carburetors around. This one with the mark was back here. And remember, you couldn't adjust the air fuel mixture jets on it. And the same thing has happened with it up front. Still can't get any adjustment on the air fuel jets. This was the one that was at the front that you could, and now you can back here. All of them now are pulsing where it sucks your hand. So I've kind of given up. Decided to just sell it for $4,000. If I can get that. If I can't, I'll keep it. Don't know if it's worthwhile getting them rebuilt or just to buy a new set for $1,000 US. This is one of the patches here that the welder did. And he did a really good job at the back here. The trunk is really bad, but I have a better trunk in the truck that came with the other car. Took out the fiberglass from there and did a patch, another patch here, and a patch below. And I just filled in the rust spots with the body filler. I think it might be the cat. It's got a used aftermarket cat on it. I'm thinking I'm going to cut that off.